Hi, my name is Adam Gaston. I'm the founder and lead repair specialist at New Image Auto Hail and Dent Repair in McKinney, Texas. Paintless dent repair is a process of gently massaging the backside of the vehicle's panels with different rods and other various hand tools to remove hail damage, door dings, and in some cases, large damage. This is all done without the need for any sanding, bondo, or painting methods used at traditional body shops. I've been doing paintless dent repairs for about 10 years or so. Before this, I worked at a dealership where I would work on their used car inventory, fixing rock chips, headlight restoration, scratch removal, little paint blemishes and bumpers, just minor cosmetic things like that. I would always watch the dent guys when they came in, and they would fix these door dings and hail damage with all these different sets of tools and cool looking lights. And I just thought it was the coolest thing ever. And instantly I knew that that was something that I had to learn and figure out how to make a living doing it. There's a lot of reasons why I love doing what I do every day. You know, just taking on a new challenge or repairing something maybe you didn't think you could fix, or taking in a severely damaged hail vehicle, restoring it to a factory condition, returning it to the customer and seeing the satisfaction and the look they have on their faces when they see their new car again is a great feeling. If you'd like to talk to us about your upcoming paintless dent repair or hail repair, we can be reached at 214-635-9930. I'm Adam with New Image Dent Repair in McKinney, Texas.